What's up, YouTube? I'm here at the big Seattle Boat Show. We're at the indoor show. I'm here with Sun Country Yachts. This is Ben Johnson here. He's given me exclusive access to this beautiful Riviera 50. So this one is 50 foot 5 inches with a 15 foot 5-inch beam. It comes in a beautiful Bentley blue. Taking a couple steps up to the aft deck. Look at this absolutely gorgeous teak table with a high gloss finish. Amazing accent lighting all around. Big alfresco dining with a stainless steel frame, all nice and shiny. Very easy sliding door. We've got walnut finishes, also in high gloss throughout the boat. Induction cooktop, plenty of space for all of your cutlery. Everything in this boat has an organized place to go. As you see, cups, coffee cups, everything won't be rattling around. Nice size settee. I believe that's fridge and freezer. Electronic control panels are up there. High-low TV, of course. And then look at this beautiful helm station. We've got true carbon fiber, awesome accent lights, and then take a look at these helm seats. Cross-stitch pattern, beautiful suede in the middle, and leather. A couple steps down, this one has a wonderful 3 stateroom with 1 crew quarter in the back layout. Midship master we'll get to in a second. Here's the VIP. They've really done a fantastic job with the water side, hull side windows. So you get great visibility. You don't feel like you're down in a cave, but also they are tinted so that it's not going to bleach your interior out or be too hot. Massive head. I mean, look at that. Sit down shower with a step in there. Then let's move down to the owner's suite. Again, even larger shower here with a separating door so nothing else is getting wet. Opening port light in that whole side window right there. Big mirror, there I am. And then check this out. We got full beam, huge whole side windows. Again, opening port lights on either side so you can get that cross ventilation. And look at that. Queen size bed. Accent lighting all the way around really shows off that walnut. And I think that's about, one more thing. I'm going to take you guys down. This boat has a garage in the back. So I'm going to show you that. Check in with you in a second. All right, so check this out. The transom opens up completely. We have 10 feet of space there. We could do dive tanks or fenders here. And then Ben was just telling me on another one, he put some outlets here so you could keep everything charged up if you're keeping a dinghy or anything else back here. Other than that, I'm Jeff, Walker Valley Media. Big thanks to Ben here for showing us the boat. Check us out on the other tour.